Hi, my name is Raediant with Raediant, and today I'm going to show you how to make a wonderful, delicious Indian beverage. It's called golden milk, and that has been drunk in India forever. That contains a lot of turmeric, and I think by now most of us know that turmeric is one of the best plants for against inflammation in our bodies. And so we want to incorporate as much turmeric into our meals, our drinks as we can. And one wonderful and delicious way of doing that is with golden milk. So it's very easy to make. I'm going to show you how to make it. So the first thing we do, we're going to make a turmeric paste. And this is very simple. All we do is we take 1 part turmeric. So for example, if you do 2 spoons of turmeric, we do double the amount of water, so about 4 spoons of water, and we just mix it and make this wonderful paste with it. And this I'm going to keep in the fridge in a little jar, and then every time I want to make my golden milk, I just take a little bit of this paste and put it in my milk. So step 2, we're gonna take some milk, and you can take any milk you want, normal milk, or this is hemp milk that I made myself. You can check out my other YouTube videos where I show you how to make hemp milk, almond milk, any milk you like. We put it in a pan, we heat that up, and we take some of this turmeric paste that we made. Now, often people just take a tiny bit, like 1/4 of a teaspoon, but I actually like to incorporate a lot of turmeric into my food. So I take about 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of this paste and add it to the milk. It gives you this wonderful yellow golden milk. Now you could drink it like this, but as always we try to incorporate as much nutritional value as we can. So what I do, I add a lot of these medicinal spices like ginger, like cloves, nutmeg, and I made a mix of all these spices, so these 4 spices. So this is the mix, and so I take about a teaspoon of this mix and put it into the milk. So then we want to whip this up to make it creamy. Warm it up. Then according to taste, you can add a little bit of honey if you like. You don't have to, but just a tiny little bit of honey to sweeten it. And the last trick is to add a little bit of pepper, black pepper, to it, because it has been proven in clinical studies that turmeric is absorbed much better into our body, into our cells, if we add black pepper. And there you have a nutritious, delicious, warm drink for a cold winter day like today in Vancouver. That's really good.